Let me ask you something straight. What's your plan when the lights go out and they don't come back? It happened to me last winter. Middle of the night, freezing cold, and boom, blackout. No warning, no backup. Just silence. Al walked around the house in the dark, realizing how much we rely on power. Heat, lights, cooking, communication, gone in a heartbeat. That night changed the way I think. I promised myself it'd never happen again. I didn't want to be that guy unprepared, powerless, depending on the grid like it's bulletproof, so I started looking. I wanted a solution I could build myself, something quiet, reliable, affordable. And that's when I found the Lost Generator. It's a digital guide that shows you how to build your own portable off-grid generator. Based on forgotten concepts by Thomas Edison, it uses smart design, not fuel or solar, to power real devices in your home. You don't need to be an engineer. If you can follow step-by-step instructions, you can build it. I did. And in one weekend, I had a working generator in my garage. It powers lights, charges devices, and gives me that peace of mind I didn't know I was missing. And the best part? It cost me under $100 to build. That's it. No gas, no noise, no dependency on the grid. The guide is clean, clear, and easy to follow. Includes diagrams, parts list, and every single detail you need. And it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So even if you're skeptical, you've got nothing to lose. Honestly, I'd buy it again in a heartbeat. The sense of control and self-reliance it gives you is worth far more than the price.
I'm a light.
Thousands of people are already building their Zond, not just survivalists or off-grid folks. Regular people like me. People who just want to be ready. So let me ask again. If the power went out tonight, would you be ready? If not, this is your moment. Click the link in the description. Grab the Lost Generator while it's still available. For just $39, you can start building your own personal power supply. No noise, no fuel, no fear. Because when the grid fails, you won't. You'll be the guy who's still got lights on, while everyone else sits in the dark.